As you can see, I have this product from YANTU, which is a hand vacuum cleaner. Is the car vacuum cleaner. The model number is V01S, and here's the product picture on top of the package, and here it is. So here is the name, YANTU car vacuum cleaner, and here's some product information. This model number is V01S. Voltage is DC 8 volt. Power is 100 watt. Product size, net weight, and here's the hotline and to call this number for more info. And here's the website, www.yantuauto.com, if you have more questions to know. So here it is. So we're gonna unbox. I'm going to unbox this package now to see what are the parts is included. So here is the main vacuum cleaner. As you can see, it's really small and easy to hold. It has a little handle here, easy to hold and move to while we are cleaning. And here's this flat surface to stand it like so it doesn't fall, or it's easier that way. And here it is. Here's a USB cable to charge, and here's a nozzle to put it on here if we need to clean any narrow space where our hand doesn't reach in the car. There's a lot of space, like car pockets or dashboards or our monitor, and where we change our shift. Those places is narrow space, so we can easily clean those places with this nozzle. And here's a brush. So this brush is easy to rub those dust and suck it in. So this is really convenient machine, convenient vacuum cleaner. You can see this is the final look after attaching everything. And here's one USB charger would go to the power outlet, and here's the small one, which is like a phone charger. You would see here the small hole for this for this cable to put it in. So here it is, and then it would show this blinking light to show you that's charging. So I'm going to show you in a minute. So here it is, and then this is the main power on and off button. So you can hear it start vacuuming, and then when you release the button, then it turned off. So here's the turn on and turn off button, and here is this button, and when you click it, press it, then it would automatically come off this part. And then you can see here's the suction filter. You can easily clean it, dry it, and put it in again. So here's the machine, as you can see. So when you put it in back again, it would make a little click sound, and then here it is. It's closed. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I have this little dust and paper stuff over here, so I'm gonna clean it. So here I set it up, the vacuum cleaner with this nozzle and the little brush. As you can see, I can rub with the brush, and then here it is. Like these places we cannot clean with the hand, so we can clean it easily with this hand car vacuum cleaner. So as you can see here, it's feeling really nice. So, and here this is. It's easily clean over here. As you can see here is dust. So here it is, easily cleanable. This place is also and as you can see, here is the USB cable to plug it in. I can easily plug it in here if I need to use. So then I can easily connect it with this vacuum cleaner to charge right here. And it's easier to charge. So now my car is turned off, that's why it's not charging, but when it's turned on, then it's easily chargeable to charge in the car. So it's very convenient. And after we finish cleaning, we can easily take this off. So like I'm going to take it off to empty the dust from this vacuum cleaner. So here it is, this is one part. So I'm going to take it off. As you can see, here is dust and hair, all this. So here it is too. So I'm gonna dump all this in, and so it's easy to clean again. If we want, we can clean it with the water if it's too much dirty, and fix it in again. So here it is.